especially babies, please stop doing party. If you like, take it. The money for the party, do an investment for the child's future. Go to some of this bank insurance and go and put their money down. Because most people come and eat, they will still insult you. You tell me I'm lying. The 1,000 cedis for the child can be put down every month. By the time the child is 18, if you can get about 200,000 to 500,000 Ghana cedis in the bank as interest for the child. The next one, can I talk? If you are young and you are staying with your parents and you will not move, pay some of the bills in the house. At least water is not too expensive. When I was young, mommy is here, in my mom's house, I was paying electricity. No, I was paying for telephone. And once when God blesses me, I go and pay. If the bill comes and it's those days, let's say 200 cedis, like today is 2 cedis. I go and pay 20 pesos. I can't afford all. But I know what I was. So when I rented my first 3-bedroom house, I think I was around 23 or 24 years. When I rented my first 3-bedroom house, I could pay my bills. Because I've learned to pay the bills. Young boys of the day, all your money is into data. Brand new phone. Chilling. Chaff. That girl crash on water. Some of you are dating somebody's wife. Let me explain. The girl you are dating, your age group, by the time he meets somebody that is ready to marry the person will be richer than you. The lady will break your heart and go. Because when it comes to money, your money can't compare to the money of the. I think you are not understanding me. And ladies grow faster than men. So most of you guys, your classmates, ladies, if you waste your money on them, you'll be heartbroken. Only a few still get married. Are you here or not here? Me, I'm about 6 years older than mommy. And I'm 6 and I'm 5. Are you here? You are not here. Now, can I tell you a story? Promise not to tell anybody. When I started dating mommy was going for Miss Malika. She was contesting. And was one of the general managers of Joy FM who was having a Passat. That a Passat, Vimboot had come. They finished the show. The man brought the car there. Mommy should sit in. Mommy was wearing heel. I didn't have money for transport. It was at a Accra Conference Center somewhere, State House. We walked from there to Kokromemle. Girls of today, they would tell you, and I was holding the heel, and she was wearing the chalwat. Girls of today will tell you, "Yebeshia wa janshe no so why." No what na card no ma wiper. Now we be say that bend bit ma talk V-boot. You don't, yeah. The girls are using to help me to finish my course. They are using you. I don't have a way for me, sir. Look at them, move to your level. Move to your level. Joseph got a young lady and betrothed her and took care of her. Move to your level. Move to your level. Because some of you, the salary you get, 1,000, 1,500, the kind of ladies you have on you, the salary and so on is not enough for them. Oh, it's not true. Yeah, they are too high. Makeup alone, 1,000. Nails, 500. Then when your parents ask you for something, say, we don't have money. The salary has not come. Because somebody's doing artificial hair and nails with your money. And it's going to use to scrap somebody's back, not your back. Because you are living holy. Ladies, am I lying? Ladies, what I'm saying, is it true or is not true? Now, single and married. Single and married. Oh, amen. Oh, amen. I said amen. Me, when I was a student and I was dating a girl, I told the girl that my father is a hunter. And my mother sells the meat. The girl still was after me. Even though I was coming, the day the girl saw that my mom's car was BMW, the girl got angry with me that I've lied to her. These days, the ladies of today, you must yob them. What you don't have is what you have. Car be between person. I mean, that one papa ne between. Papa ne between. Papa so only bicycle. Let me tell you, see, these things are all weight. Did you hear me? I said they are all hot. They are all hot. They are all hot. What the one I would tell you because it'll be very day ba, Valentine ba. Yani said, what you buy for this girl, the original owner will buy something that will surprise you.